Welcome to the SGM Video, Hotel and Resort Security. The security guard's main responsibility is safety and security. They focus on protecting the hotel, its guests, staff, and property from theft, crime, and other potential threats. There may be times that you are stationed at a lobby desk. Many guests will think you are a hotel concierge just by the setting. There should always be a sign at the desk that identifies you as security to avoid confusion. Guards should frequently check secondary entrances, such as back doors, to ensure that only authorized individuals use them. This is known as tailgating. Security guards need to watch for this and intervene when necessary. Sometimes guests lose their key cards or experience issues with electronic locks. Security should verify their identification and only assist them if your post instructions allow, before allowing them back into guest-only zones. When a hotel security guard responds to a report of theft or property damage, it's crucial to handle the situation systematically and professionally. Patrolling is a critical responsibility for hotel security guards, as it plays a vital role in ensuring the safety and security of guests, staff, and property. Visible patrols enhance the sense of security among guests. While patrolling the lobby area, you should remain attentive to your surroundings, ready to assist with any immediate concerns, such as guest inquiries, lost items, or suspicious behavior. A hotel security guard should interact with the front desk and hotel staff in a professional and collaborative manner to ensure a safe and efficient environment. In conference and event spaces, hotel security guards play a crucial role in managing crowd control and ensuring the safety of attendees. Their responsibilities might include CCTV systems provide real-time surveillance. In the event of a security incident, CCTV footage serves as critical documentation. As a key player in the overall security framework, your actions directly impact the guest experience and the hotel's reputation. Remember that your presence not only deters potential threats, but also provides reassurance to guests and staff alike.